Kumusta mga ka-MPBL? Pag-usapan naman natin sa video na ito si Rin William Bing, isang player na potentially pwedeng maging most improved player ng MPBL for the 2024 season. Nung recently concluded na 2024 preseason invitational dun sa Gensan, si Rin William Bing yung naging top scorer for the Quezon City Toda Action. In 23.9 minutes per game na playing time, nag-average siya ng 14.8 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 3 steals per game, and 0.6 blocks per game. Itong mga averages niya nung preseason invitational ay sobrang taas ng improvement from his numbers last season. Kasi nung nasa San Juan Knights pa siya last season, hindi siya masyadong nabigyan ng playing time. Nag-average lamang si Rin William Bing ng 11.4 minutes per game na playing time last season, and given that limited playing minutes, nakapag-produce lamang siya ng average na 11.4 points, 4.1 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.7 rebounds per game, 0.5 steals per game, and 0.3 blocks per game. So, mababa nga yung number niya last season. Pero this 2024 preseason invitational, ang laki ng improvement niya. So, kung tuloy-tuloy yung pag-improve ni Rin William Bing, ay pwede nga siyang maging most improved player this 2024.